Hey there, it's Crafty Jennabug. Here we are working in my December journal once again. In case you are new here, I set a challenge for myself for 2023 to make and decorate a journal for each month, and this is the final month. It is also the most wonderful time of the year, Dephemerember. Dephemerember is a daily ephemera inspiration prompt list hosted by 49 Dragonflies and Louisa Heinzel, both here on YouTube. I'll link their Dephemerember playlists down below. And so I'm going to cover both of those different things all month long, working in this journal, the final of 2023, and Dephemerember. So let's get to it. The prompt list I have kept handy right here. Today we are working on salvaged birds, which is an interesting prompt. Something I would not have considered for myself. Salvaged birds. Louisa said that she took that to mean salvaged patina, distress oxide ink. So that was the route she went. I don't have that color, but I do have an idea. So, salvaged birds. With that in mind, I have some old calendars that I found. Actually, my local library. Somebody had left them for somebody else to use. And I have a few bird images that I want to use. They're not too glossy. I was thinking they might be too glossy, like a magazine page, but they're not as glossy as that. And so these birds I consider salvaged because I'm repurposing the images from a calendar that would have been thrown away. I salvaged them. Going with it? We're going with it. So I'm going to use both of these to make tags or something, some sort of ephemera for this journal. I do not want them to be just, I don't know, that one is super cute in its own right as a rectangular tag. This one I think I want it to be a bit more wonky, maybe. Let's start with this one. I think I'm just going to, let's see, how wide is it? It is about 10.5, just under 10.5 inches wide by about 8.25. So if I keep this, I could do like 4.5. Let's mark it down here. Let's do like 4.5 inches. Let's rip it. Don't think I want this at the top. Super cute. That's straight. Does not feel straight on this side. Okay. Let me see what I can come up with for this little guy. Do I want to add it to a page, maybe? I could do that. I could flip it out. I could just decorate the page with it. He's so cute. He is really cute right there. Let me see about this one. This one I wanted to get a bit more loose with. Could it be a tuck spot? could potentially be a tuck spot. Maybe. All right. I've got to hold off on that one for now. This one I love. Okay. So I have a piece of tea dyed or coffee dyed, I can't remember which, cardstock. And I really like this. Again, I'm thinking about whether I want to make it a tag shape. The other tag I made was a tag shape. I think I like it like this. So I'm going to take some glue stick and glue this down. I love that, and I'm going to sew around the edges. First, what do I want to do with this guy? I mean, he could be potentially a tuck spot if I want to keep it oriented like this. I mean, I could trim off his butt. Okay, that's a bit better. All right. So this one, I think I want to back as well. So this guy, I want to back on this paper. I'm going to turn it into a pocket tuck spot kind of deal, corner pocket. So I'm going to also use this. And then I will also rip around this. Not on this page, but on a page. So now I'm going to sew around the edges of these. I'll be right back. Here is what this looks like, all sewn around front and back. And I added this little red acrylic bead to the strings because I don't know, it's like a little leftover berry. And I want this to go on this page as a flip out. So I have some little fabric strips that were cut off of the outside cover, and I'm just going to glue them down like so. Okay, that's gonna need to dry, but that is the premise there. So I'm going to have to leave that open to dry for a little while. But the plan is this will be journaling space, and I might do a collage over here. I have not decided yet. So now I got to figure out a place for this bird. Lay that over there. I want to spread it out a bit. I don't want it to be in the first signature. I love you, Effie. You're so cute. Let's see. That's fun, and that's a bit wider of a page. And that could be the tuck spot. I like that quite a bit. I don't like how much this sticks out though. It's the only side that has that much. It feels very much like a cloudy sky. I love it. All right, I've got some drying time ahead of me. All right, my pages have dried. They can be opened. I'm not sure yet what to do here. I might save that for another video. And then this one is here. I think that's what I'll do. I think I'm going to end this video here. This was a quick one, just a little salvaged birds. And I think on one of the break days, I'll come back and make some ephemera for this and some sort of collaging here. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.